Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make a graphical scale or bar scale. Okay, let's move to the question. We have a question. Construct a graphical scale for a map drawn at a scale of 1 is to 50,000 and read the distances in kilometers and meters. Okay, this is the hint which we have got. Please make sure if in question you have got the metric system, that is kilometer, meter or hectometer, decameter, then we always use centimeter, and here we have already got hint. If hint is not given in question, then it should be understood ourselves. Okay, so let's move for the question. Now as per our hint, uh, we have got RF. This is our RF. It was given in question. Uh, it is 1 is to 50,000. It means a left hand side. Hope you all know RF means represent reflection. Left hand side and right hand side, both the side, the scale is same. So we'll start with this line. 1 unit represents 50,000 units. Now since this is a case of metric system of measurement, so we know this is the smallest unit is centimeter. So we'll start with centimeter. It means 1 unit here indicates 1 centimeter represents 50,000 centimeter. Now we know like we have to always take 15 centimeter if there is metric system, and if there is English system then we have to take 6 inches. Okay, since 15 centimeter is equal to 6 inches only. So if 1 centimeter is representing 50,000 centimeter, how about 15 centimeters? So what we will do is obviously we have to multiply this. So we did multiplication. When we multiply 50,000 with 15 centimeter, our answer would be 7,50,000. Okay, now we know like if any of the data, any of the number is more than 1 lakh, we have to convert that into kilometer, because we have learned before also in 1 kilometer we have got 1 lakh centimeter. If you have any doubt, you can check my previous video where I have shown clearly like how we are getting 1 lakh in 1 lakh centimeter in 1 kilometer. So what we should do is, therefore we are going to convert this 7,50,000 into kilometer. For that we just dividing. See, here we have 4 zeros. Now I'm cutting these 4 zero with 4 zeros. Now this 1 zero is remaining. The shortcut method is, if we have only zeros with 1 in denominator, we'll just count how many zeros. 1 zero, so point will come here, and our answer is 7.5 kilometer. Now next problem is, okay, we have got like we are going to show 7.5 kilometer distance on 15 centimeter line. Now think, obviously it will be very difficult to show 7.5 kilometer on a line of 15 centimeter, because measurement is not it's difficult to divide. So what we'll do is, we'll round up this 7.5. Now hope you remember nearest to 10 or nearest to 100 round up, we have learned in junior classes. So if we check this 7.5 is very near to 10 and 5. If we check the rule exactly, we have to go with 10. Okay, but here it's good if you choose 5, because if you choose the bigger number, your length of line will be longer. In that case, the making of graph will be little tough comparatively. So we are going to choose 5. Okay, so we should write, since it is not a round figure, so we round it as 5 kilometer. Done. Now previously for 7.5 kilometer we were going to make a line of 15 centimeter, but now our number is 5 kilometer. So in this case we could not draw a line of 15 centimeter. So we have some more calculation. Just move to these. Okay, so what we should do is, see, here we have, okay, this much. Now so our line should be, since it is not a round figure, so we round it as a 5 kilometer. Now first line we should write 7.5 kilometer is represented by a line of 15 centimeter, which we have decided before. Now our line is 5 kilometers. So what we should do is, we'll convert, we'll find out what should be the line to show 5 kilometer distance. So we'll simple method, we'll do first 1 kilometer is represented by a line of, we need to divide, we'll divide 15 centimeter by 7.5, then we'll get the length for 1 kilometer. Now next step should be 5 kilometer is represented by a line of, now we'll do the calculation. So this is 15 by 7.5. It was for 1 kilometer. Now for 5 kilometer, we'll multiply this. So let's do this calculation here. This is 15 divided by 7.5 into 5. Okay. So if you remove this 5, obviously hope you all know we can add here 10 into 10 or directly 0. Now 15 ones are 15 and 15 fives are 75, and again 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So our answer is 10 centimeter. It means now to show 5 kilometer distance, we'll draw a line of 10 centimeter. Now let's start. So our calculation is over. Now let's start to make our graph. Okay, so what we should do is first we'll draw a line of 10 centimeter. Okay, please use scale. Now to this 10 centimeter line, we have to show 5 kilometers. So we'll divide this line into 5 equal portions. So please make sure, okay, here also what we can do is, since line is 10 centimeter, okay, line is 10 centimeter, you have to show 5 kilometer. It means 2. It means you have to do the division, or the interval should be 2 centimeter. Okay, so draw a line after every 2 centimeter. This is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. Okay, I have done. Now what you should do is, okay, exactly like if we go through the rule, you need to extend this just 0.5, but if you feel it's very difficult for you, so you can extend this for 1 centimeter also. Okay, now this is one line. I'm extending to both the ends. Now once you extend, join both the ends. Okay, if it is now. Second step, again we need to do draw a line from middle. If it is your 1 centimeter, draw from 0.5. If it is 0.5 centimeter, draw from 0.25. Done. Now extend these lines here also, wherever you had marked before, because we need accurate 5 boxes or 5 differences. My line is not too straight. Please use scale so you'll get accurate. Okay. So all these boxes must come like it should be equally divided. Now we know when we make graph, we always do two types of division. One is primary and second is secondary. Okay, so primary, this side will do primary division and this side will show secondary division. So let's start. So we have 5 kilometers. So this is our 0. It will represent 0. This is 1 kilometer. This is 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, and this is 4 kilometer. And next 1 kilometer, we will show this left side. So this all is our primary division. Now secondary, now see, this is a line of 2 centimeter. Now we have to convert this 2 centimeter line, like within this 2 centimeter line, we have to show 1 kilometer, and we know 1 kilometer means how many meters? 1000 meter. Hope you remember. This side we have to show secondary. So what is a secondary? Like, and in question it was given, show in kilometer and meter. So kilometer we have done with. Now meter. So we have got the line of 2 centimeter, and we need to divide this into different divisions. So now let's decide. We could divide this into 5 parts also. Like if you divide this into 5 parts, so 5 to the 10, 0 and 0. Okay, like it means if you divide 5, if you draw 5 lines, one line will represent 200. On the other hand, if you divide this line into 4, I'll do here. Now the space is quite less. Okay, if you divide into 4 portions, so 4 to the 8, 4 5 is 20, 4 0. So one line will represent 250 meters. Okay, now since this is a line of 2 centimeters, so it will be more easy if you divide into 4 portions, because we know 5 centimeter we can do. So what we will do is we'll mark on 0.5 millimeters. Okay, this done. Now let's draw the lines. Okay, so this is our first line. This will represent our 250 meters, then 500 meters, then 750 meters, and 1000. Okay, so let's write, let's label all these. Okay, it's not compulsory to label all these. What we can do is we can skip. So this is 0 kilometer, and this line will represent 250 meter. We can skip this, or if you have space, you can write, otherwise you can skip this. This will represent 500 meter. This will represent 750. Since I have less place, so I'm not writing here, you can skip. And this will represent 1000 meter. Okay, so we have done with, and the last step is what we should do is we need to do the shading. So let's do shading here. So please use pencil. You can start from any of the boxes, up and down. Okay, this please do it nicely. Okay, like this. So our graphical scale is complete for this question. Hope it is clear to you all. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask again.